and you can use a couple of colors. Oh, look at me. Hey, I see you, girl. What is up, dolls? And if you are new, welcome to the doll community. Please subscribe as I do giveaways. I do lifestyle, beauty, fashion, makeup, and relationship vlogs. As you can see, I have my best friend right here, and I'm so excited to open her. Her name is Too Faced. Open her up here and just do a quick little Oh, this girl, she just ate my nail off. So my makeup look is going to be inspired by the makeups that I have in this box. So let's go ahead and take a look and see. I've completely fallen in love with this bronzer because it has a little bit of a gold shimmer inside, and I love the scent. It's made with 100% natural cocoa powder and real gold. Oh, dud. I actually have one already, but I needed to stock up because they did have a sale. Definitely be using this for my makeup look. Lip Injection Too Faced Lip Gloss. Oh my gosh, so it is Power Plumping Lip Gloss, and I am such a huge fan of their plumping lip gloss. I use it like every day, even if I'm not wearing any lipstick color. I just love that plumping effect. Anything that I can plump, like my lips, I can plump my face. I have the Too Faced Plump Primer, and it's called Soulmate ASMR. Spring is coming up, so I wanted to start getting and collecting some of the lighter, more nude or like lighter pink shades. Too Faced Pineapple Paradise Strobing Bronzer Highlighting Duo Illuminateur et Bronzer Strobe Secu. So that's how that boxing looks, and it says Toasted Pineapple. Yep. So, oh wow, it's magnetic. Oh my, so that's what it looks like, and it even has a mirror. February is all about love, so oh my gosh. So it says Too Faced Be My Lover, and then it has like cool little lightning through the heart, and then it says Smells Like Roses. Like, shut up. Doll size eyeshadow palette. So that is how the container looks. I was actually curious about this color here, the purple one. So I kind of wanted to try that out. It is not as dark as I thought, or it looks more shimmery. And all the names of them are in the back. Free stuff. It says, you're like really pretty. And then it says double-sided compact mirror. Oh, and one more promo item. I swear, they're so generous. Another product that I didn't try yet. So this is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. So it's a 24-hour anti-crease eyeshadow primer. Look how cute this is. And the last thing that they gave to me as a promo item is their Better Than Sex mascara. Boom. Wow, that's a good brush. So those are the products. And I have definitely a good selection of products to almost do a full-on complete makeup look. Hi dolls. So, step one, eye contacts. And this time I'm not going to really do a tutorial, as I just, I just didn't have a lot of makeup products for the other episode to work with, but I am using a different eye contact color. This is more hazel brown, so the other one was green. And I'm going to go ahead and do like the professionals do and start with the eyeshadow. These are the different colors. I hope y'all can see. Jeez. In the past, when I've been using and ordering Too Faced eyeshadow palettes, I have been somewhat disappointed. I will say I love like how they have smells and scents. Oh, sure, it smells like roses. So that's like a 10, right? But the pigment, for some reason, it wasn't going very well. It wasn't, very pigmented. Why don't I go ahead and do some swatches? How's that? Let's try this color here. Oh, wow, it looks very pigmented. So some of the colors are, some of them are not. So let's see here. Oh, yeah, that's pretty. I don't know if y'all can see. Can you see? Okay. And then the one that I do want to do today is this purple color. So, ooh, yeah. So it's kind of goth. I don't know if it's going to make my look goth, so I might change my mind. And then there's pink. Oops. Oh, great. I just mixed it. It's like story of my life with all my other eyeshadows. So, see, like that pink. For some reason, I don't know if it's like that pink, but it's very like streakish. So, I don't know. Did it again. You see that? Streak. So, it seems like the iridescent colors are a lot more pigmented, or it goes on better. So, but I changed my mind. I do want to wear like the pink eyeshadows. I'm finally starting to get like the hang of like this whole new way of doing things, you know, life, which is like working from home. So shout out to all y'all who work from home. Yes, the pigment goes on my eyes very well. Very nice. I love Rose products. I love Rose scent. So I'm biased. This is uneven. This is not working out. I'm so sorry. I've just been talking. I didn't realize how hard it is to like talk and do eyeshadows. Oh, yeah. And we are now done with this video. I messed up. And so not a problem. Oh my gosh. Until it's a problem. So let me go ahead and finish this eyeshadow and I'll come right back. Oh, this is a really pretty color too. Try this out. Yeah, streaky. Let's try that again. Okay, better. So I like, this is a really pretty color too. But yeah, I'm probably gonna not go with that one. So I'm gonna go with this one. I've been eyeing out this shimmer one. This color is called Hubba Hubba. So I'm gonna try some Hubba Hubbas and put that here. Pretty. Let me go ahead and put some of the XOXO. And I'm actually going to put that in the corner of my eye. I'm going to kind of bring it out. Okay, perfect. I'm going to put some more white on the top because I need to calm down. The iridescent was a little too much for me, for my taste. Oh my gosh, dolls. I don't know. I love this palette. On the bottom, I want to use, like, I'm going to extend out here. I'm using the same shimmer. Woo! Okay, so I'm going to go with the brown. Very lightly and dab the brown. I also want to try this iridescent color here. So put that here. It is a little humid in here, so I'm realizing a lot. But I'm actually realizing that the humidity is kind of causing this, like, I don't know, eyeshadow. Is it already faulting? Like, is it disintegrating? Like, is it melting? Like, is it, like, what's going on here? Okay. I don't know, is it like all blending together? Like the iridescent color actually is starting to, I can see like, or it just could be my face, like melting. Because sorry guys, my camera is amazing, and I didn't know that I got a call because I actually flipped the camera to get supposedly better quality, but apparently it stopped and we lost quite a bit of coverage. So, story of my life. But that's okay. Is it though? Yeah, sure, why not? I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on again. Okay. So I do have some foundation on now. I'm going to use the Too Faced bronzer because I technically got a new one in the box, but I already have one that's open. Okay. Yeah, I'll use this a little bit for like, for a little highlight there. Put a little highlight here. Oh, super contoured. I know I could probably blend it more, but it's okay. I think I'll just keep it. Kind of like it like that. Yeah. Use this heart blush. A little too orangey actually, so I'm gonna actually calm it down a little bit. There we go. I actually did try this out. I love the way it feels. However, the colors are actually more warm, so it's more like summertime. I'm an ice cold queen, melting down, simmering to the spring. So this would not work for my look, but I did try it out. It goes on very smoothly. I look forward to using this more and more as spring turns into summer. Or I don't know, maybe I'll do a different look and it will make sense. But this is more like a colder, pinker tone look. The thing that I am the most excited about, it is this Too Faced Lip Injection Lip Gloss. So very girly girl. I do, however, want to collect more of these because I like the way it feels. Very menthol, and it's very plumping. It's like very plumping, and it has like a very yummy candy scent. If I really wanted to, I could definitely add more color to the lip. I got this from Daiso LA Colors, and this is, the name of this is called Pampered, so I can, yeah. All right, so thank you for your patience. Thank you for bearing with me so far. I absolutely love the products. I love their eyeshadow palette. I love all the colors because it really works. Like, they're not just put together randomly because they look pretty together in a pan. They actually make a lot of sense, so it's very practical when applying my eyeshadow. So definitely can create different looks. I've used like every single color in this palette for this look, and you can use a couple of colors. Oh, look at me. Hi, I see you, girl. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Thank you so much, all you loyal dolls, for always commenting and watching my videos. I absolutely appreciate the support for this channel. Thank you for all my new subscribers. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm so grateful. We are a growing channel here in this doll community, and I love you guys, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dolls.